You have the vision. You can see exactly where you want to be. You think about it constantly. You want it more than most people want anything. So why are your results so small? Why does the gap between where you are and where you want to be keep growing instead of closing? You work, you try, you start over, and the dream stays the same size while your progress stays invisible. Nobody around you understands the weight of carrying something big inside you with so little to show for it. If this is you, stay. The reason is specific, and once you see it, you cannot unsee it. There was a guy, 19, call him Marcus. Big vision, wanted to build something real, thought about it every day for 2 years. He consumed everything, podcasts, videos, books. He knew more about success than most successful people, but his actual output for 2 years, 3 unfinished projects. 1 channel with 2 videos, 0 traction. Marcus was not lazy. He was trapped in a cycle that ambitious people never talk about because admitting it feels like failure. He was preparing to start instead of starting, and the preparation felt like progress, so he never noticed. Here is what nobody says out loud. A big dream without small, consistent action is just a fantasy with better branding. The gap between your dream and your results is not a motivation gap. It is a translation gap. You have not learned to translate vision into daily, boring, unglamorous work. Ambition without execution is the most painful kind of talent. You can feel exactly what you are capable of, and you watch yourself fall short every single day. The dream also becomes an excuse. When you have a big enough vision, anything less than perfect feels not worth doing, so you wait and wait. Step 1, shrink the dream to 1 daily action, not the whole vision. What moves it forward today? Just today. Step 2, measure output, not intentions. Stop counting hours you thought about it. Count only what you shipped, posted, built, output only. Step 3, fall in love with small results. Every big channel started with 1 view. Small results are not failure. They are proof you started. Marcus stopped preparing and started shipping. Small things, ugly things, real things. 2 years later, the gap was closing. Comment, dreamer, if this is you.